What's up, my K babies? I am back today with another video all about the lips. For those who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Karen Michelle. So again, this video was all about the lip. If you have watched my previous videos, I just created a video all about the lip, but it was a red lip. Today I am going to be showing you all how to create a natural lip. A lip, not really a natural lip, but a lip that looks good on any skin tone, any client, anybody. And this is the lip that I have on now. This video is very good for people who are taking clients or just now starting to take clients and don't have that much product and want to find a lip that's going to look good on everybody, you know. And this lip literally has not failed. No matter what skin color, no matter what race, this lip has not failed me yet. So this is a perfect lip. Again, if you want to find out how I got it, just keep on watching. Thank you so much for your support. Also, my hair deets and my lash deets are down below. So if you like my lashes and you love my hair, please check out my links below and go support those companies because they fire, y'all. They fire. Okay, guys, so the two products that I use to create my natural lip is my Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink, and this is in the color 85 Protector. This is how it looks. And this is what I use for my liner, so to line my lips. And then I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this is Pure Hollywood liquid lipstick, and this is what I use to fill it in. So I use this for my liner and this for my fill-in. And these are literally the only two products that I use for my natural looks, to create a natural nude lip on my client, which it looks good on any skin tone, as I stated in the title. Dark, light, it doesn't matter. Them two products will look good on any client, I promise you. So I'm gonna try it out now. So starting off with my liner. Now I'm gonna go on the top. And that's my liner. I kind of feel like I messed up a little bit. This is, in my last lip video, if you watched my red lip, if you haven't, go check out the red lip tutorial because that's good as well. I told you, like I'm going to tell you now, to always have your foundation and a Bedeliums to a flat brush, because you never know when you may have to go over your lips to clean up a mess. And by a mess, I mean like if you go over your lip line. Like I went a little bit over my lip line. I don't know if you all can see it. You probably can't see it, but I went over my lip line a little bit, so I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of my foundation. I didn't even pour anything out. I just have a little extra from me doing my face before the video, and I'm just gonna use this to clean it up. Okay, and just a tap. You don't need a lot, just a tap. Now I'm going in with my Pure Hollywood, and I'm going to be using this to fill it in. Literally, I only use like a dab, not a lot. Going back in with my lip liner just to touch it up. And you can just keep doing it until your liking. And I don't really rub my lips. I just more so it's not, I'm not rubbing them all in. I'm just. So this is how it looks with clear gloss. And I just used my NYX Lingerie Clear. And I just tapped it on my lips like this. Just tapped it. Until it was all on there. I did not wipe. Because if you wipe it, you're going to blend the lip liner and the fill-in together, and then it's gonna look like one full color, like you mixed them together. No, you want it to stay lined brown and inside pink. So you just want to tap it away on top of the color. But this is how it looks with gloss. Again, it doesn't look bad with gloss. But I just prefer matte most of the time. But depending on the look, you may need to use gloss over it. So this is how it looks with the gloss. This is how I create my natural lip for all my clients, for all skin tones. If you all liked this video or if you found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. And until next time, peace, y'all.